Spread over more than 4 decades. Janab Mufti Muhammad Saeed is a man of outstanding courage, firm determination, with dynamic leadership qualities. The seriousness the new government has shown from the very beginning in the meeting people's aspirations and in implementation of its political, socio-economic agenda, one can very safely say that the state has a bright future and is poised to lead to new horizons of peace, progress and development under the able guidance and supervision of Janab Mufti Muhammad Saeed. Sir, I seek your worthy blessings and I assure you that the school under the banner of your government will scale new heights in future. Being one of the only 18 premier institutions of its kind in the country, Sainik School Nagrota strives hard for different ranks in the armed forces. In the UPSC examination held for the 108 and the 109 courses, 15 of our boys cleared and 5 of them finally joined NDA in 2002. 8 of our cadets have qualified in the recent UPSC written examination held in September 2002. We in this school shall leave no stone unturned to ensure that all the 8 cadets clear the SSB and join the NDA as prospective officers of the Indian Armed Forces. The reputation of any school is measured on the parameters of academic excellence. Hence, Sainik School Nagrota spares no effort to give trust to higher educational standards. In Class 12 CBSE examination 2002, the school produced 61 distinctions in the country. I assure you, sir, that although I took over the reins of the school in November 2002 only, we will not rest in peace till we reach the top of the ladder. Besides academic excellence, the school endeavors provide ample opportunities to the cadets to display their latent talents in various fields, keeping in mind the all-round development of the cadets. Was presented the award for the year 2002 for the most promising associate NCC officer. 17 cadets of class 11 participated in the National Integration Camp at New Delhi in September 2002. Over 100 cadets took part in the annual training camp at Nagrota and 5 cadets went to the Nayyar Dam in Kerala to attend the rock climbing training camp. Cadet Suvir Rathod won the prize for the best rock climber. As a crowning effort, 6 of our cadets have. For over decades, this annual day function has been celebrated in this boys' mess. Although our genuine demands of the construction of an auditorium, a swimming pool and a gymnasium, which are deemed as the hallmarks of any reputed public school, were sanctioned by the previous government, funds are yet to be released. The construction of one hostel block for 150 students and 4 additional classrooms was also approved, but the funds are still to be released. It will not be out of place to mention here that the addition of more number of students will create additional resources to run the school more viably. Even notice to the school to disconnect the power supply if the outstanding dues are not cleared. Another area of serious concern is the security of the school. The safety and security of about 450 innocent children and that of over 100 families is at high risk. Our request for a permanent police post in the campus has been brushed aside. Therefore, I once again appeal earnestly to our Honorable Chief Minister to accord top priority to this matter and issue immediate orders for the security of the school. A new ray of hope has come with the successful completion of free and fair elections in the state, and I am sure PSM VSM Chairman Local Board of Administration for the progress and welfare of the institution. I will conclude the school annual report with a few lines from the Upanishad, which reaffirms our resolutions and true spirits to take this school to the Himalayan heights of achievement. Truth and virtue be your pole star. Speak the truth fearlessly. Follow the dharma. Strive ceaselessly for true learning and the welfare of all. Tread the righteous path to well-being and prosperity. Teach and learn.
For students, what can be more wonderful than to excel in academics and to receive the prize from the hands of the Honorable Head of the State? Yes, gentlemen, the great occasion has finally arrived. Now, may I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Janab Mufti Muhammad Saeed, to please come on stage and give away the prizes for academic excellence. Please, sir. First of all, I begin with Class 6. Master Shamim Yusuf stands first. The second position is backed by Master Navdeep Singh. Master Sharik Hussain tops Class 7. The second position goes to Master Babul Kumar. The topper of Class 8 is Master Munna Kumar. Master Kumar Gaurav stands second. In Class 9, it is Master Arjun Singh Bahu, who tops. The second position is backed by Master Ajay Kumar. In Class 11, it is Master Swaroop Singh, stands second. Finally, the coveted and prestigious trophy for which our students sweat out round the year. The Kagos Trophy for the year 2002-2003 goes to the Chenab House. I request the Postmaster, House Superintendent, House Secretary. Okay. Now I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Mufti Muhammad Saeed, to please say a few words of inspiration for the young cadets. Please, sir.
I was young. I was reading in Vishwara Government High School. My keen desire was to read science. I had a desire. But unfortunately in our high school there was no science subject. Anantnag was far, far away. I could not afford to go there. When I was visiting these laboratories and I asked Principal Mr. Ray whether the same facilities are available in other schools. We are living in a world, the world which believes in competition, the world which needs talent, excellence. I am happy. I was recently in Bombay, Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, there was a high-tech conference, and I was told, in US, out of every 5 computer engineers, 1 is Indian. So, our country has a great future. We have the largest infrastructure, technological, scientific, industrial, educational, and we have natural resources in abundance. कोशिश की है कि पीक आवर्स में, यहाँ तो जम्मू कश्मीर में बहुत शिकायत होती थी, बिजली होती नहीं, फीस मांगे लोगों के जाते बिजली है ही नहीं, तो हमने बहुत एट ए ग्रेट कॉस्ट वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग पावर ड्यूरिंग पीक आवर्स. पहले 9 घंटे की कटौती होती थी, अब 4 घंटे की हमने. तो इसलिए इलेक्ट्रिसिटी शुड बी द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. लेकिन मैं यकीन दिलाना चाहता हूँ प्रिंसिपल साहब को, मेरा पूरी दिलचस्पी होगी इस स्कूल के अब की जो है, इसका जो बिल्डिंग्स का कह रहे थे खराब हो रही हैं, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो बना है खराब हुआ है, मेरे नोटिस में भी कहीं नहीं आया. आई कैन एश्योर हिम, मैं जरूर इसमें देख के जो भी आपकी समस्या होगी उसका समाधान होगा, जो भी आपका मसला होगा हम उसको ठीक करेंगे. आपके यहाँ पता नहीं यहाँ स्कीइंग का है कोई, स्कीइंग का कोई है, मैं ये समझता हूँ वहाँ गुलमर्ग में स्कीइंग की ट्रेनिंग मैंने भी एक शुरुआत की है, वहाँ कोई इनाम